What's going on, Braapaholics? Hope you're having a fantastic day. So we're getting quite a bit of fluffy snow right now, and I really want to bump the shock up on the snow bike and kind of test out the suspension on it. The frame is starting to bend. I need to fabricate a new frame, but I want to try to ride it as much as I can before it actually breaks. So we're going to ride the snow bike in this fresh powder, try to ride some snow banks, and then we're going to send it to the woods and see how it does in the woods. I have not ridden this thing in the woods yet. Pretty confident in the reliability of it somewhat right now, other than the frame bending, but that's going to be a project for next year. Anyways, let's do this. Looking good. Oh no. Ah, chain jumped on me. So when I lean to the right, it likes to jump. I'm wondering if it's this or not. Fun start, getting it into neutral. There. Yeah, sometimes when I turn really sharp to the right, it jumps. I'm not sure what it is yet. It's probably a little warm. There we go. Let's do some wood stuff before my GoPro dies. Neutral. Power just turn off. Right between the skis. Alright, so we made it back from the snow bike. The GoPro did die. I got more batteries coming from the GoPro. The Hero 8 had an update, and the aftermarket batteries I was using for it don't work for it anymore. Yeah, I know, it's kind of stupid, but that's the deal. So I have one battery, and it lasts for a half hour, if that. And I gotta recharge it, so got new batteries coming on the way. Not a big deal, but anyways, I got stuck. There's a tree branch that got stuck in between the skis. I just kind of bent it back and broke it. The skis kind of got bent from it. I gotta reinforce the skis. I gotta do a lot of reinforcing next year. Anyways, it worked. For what it is, it works as much as I ride it. For what it is, I don't really care if something breaks on it that much, because it's just a piece of scrap. It's just an object, so whatever. And that's part of the fun of this channel. We make it, we ride it, and we break it. Thank you guys for watching. You can check out my second channel down below. It's kind of a vlog, it's like a vlog channel type of deal. It's really fun. You can see behind the scenes stuff, and I'm just gonna be posting things here and there. Totally different from this channel. It's really what the purpose of it is for. But I'll have some behind the scenes stuff on that too, and it's just a fun time. Try to switch things up a little bit. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.